Hey friend, welcome back to another video. So we're just gonna hop right into this vlog. I got my glass of wine, I'm ready to go. So I'm starting on freshly washed, conditioned, and deep conditioned hair. I was washing my hair last night and it just felt super gummy for some reason, so I decided to do a protein treatment. I hope that helped. If that's not what I was supposed to do, somebody please let me know, because I did not like my hair feeling gummy like that. That did not feel good at all. Like, it literally felt like I was washing old bubblegum. It just, we're not doing that. So for my heat protector, we're gonna use the Gold Series Thermal Heat Protector. And I'm also gonna add a little bit of this Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum. I'm gonna spray a generous amount of this heat protectant and take about a dime size of the serum. I'm gonna do subsections, so I'm gonna break this up in half and clip this away. So the key to using this is to make sure your hair is dry by going in one direction first. Once it's completely dry, then you can round brush. I see a lot of y'all trying to just go in and just straight round brush. You're ripping your hair out like that. That's why you're ripping your hair out and it's not working for y'all. You need to make sure your hair is completely dry first. So I'm gonna use high heat and go section by section. I also start from my roots and drag it down to the ends. For some reason, it just works better for me that way. I also get less snags and less tangles. I also notice that it's easier to blow dry and detangle that way. So I always start from my roots and work my way down to my ends. And I'm just gonna do that all over my head. And if you're actually one of the few people that watch my videos, make sure you're liking, commenting. Thank you so much for subscribing. We appreciate y'all over here. So again, I'm gonna start at my roots and just drag it down to my ends. I'm gonna use high heat and I'm gonna make sure that my hair is completely dry before I start round brushing. As you can see, it's pretty airy, so if you actually wanted to use these steps to do a silk brush, you really could. I'm gonna shut up and I'm gonna finish the rest of my hair and come back when the rest of my hair is done.